Ah, this is a drill. Yeah. Ah, mate, you're having a laugh. That's not a drill. This is a drill. Yeah. Also, this is a drill. And this is a hobby channel. Not really so much a home improvement channel, but this monster. Oh, yeah, that'll get the job done a little too well. We don't use things like that in the hobby. We use things like a pin vise to drill itty-bitty little holes into plastic, ABS, styrene, etc. And it's kind of a laborious process. And I've known about this thing for years, and it is ridiculous. And it's adorable. Look, you're so cute, you little handy drill. So we're gonna build this up tonight, and we're gonna test her out, and we're gonna drill like it's 1999. Damn, this thing's been around a long time. Okay, so we're gonna get started. There is a bushing in here. We're gonna see if we can dig up a spare ball bearing. I think it's a 5x8 or something, 5x11, whatever. You know, your standard RC car bearing. We will be right back with the exciting, amazing build of this powerful implement of drilling into little scale model parts. We'll be back. Hey, welcome back, campers. Okay, so we found some bearings. These are shielded 5x11s. They should, one of them, that should do the trick. That's the Tamiya RC standard fare for bearings. Let's see what's inside this box, actually. I'm intrigued, as I'm sure all of you are. And I'm going to post this thing in a funny spot. I'm going to post this in the Den of Tools group. All about all these manly tools. Everyone's always fighting over DeWalt versus Milwaukee, you know. And Ryobi always gets shat upon. Everyone's shitting on Ryobi. They don't deserve it. Those guys just want affordable tools to get the job done. But either way, it's got a couple little plastic. This thing is all plastic. The Den of Tool guys are cringing right now. Oh! Lost our gears almost. Plastic. This is probably ABS. Yeah, it's ABS plastic. As is expected. We've got some little gears. There, something. Doesn't specify. We've got a sticker for the electric handy drill. Very nice. We've got another little tree of parts here. Looks like some internal trigger mechanisms and whatnots. And then, here we go, we got the business bag. And, oh, of course it comes with shmoo. It's gotta come with the shmoo. Let's see here. Okay, we got a little thing of grease. Yeah, what do we got here? We got the little collet for the chuck. That's very nice. We've got our massive drill motor here. Watch out, everybody. She's coming for you. Then we got some little metal doohickeys and battery contacts. And then we got some gear shafts and, oh look, we even got a little drill bit. Included gratis. They said drill's not included. And then some hardware bag here. And what don't we have? Holy crap. Oh, yeah. I was about to say, I was like, where's the instruction manual? I do still need, here we go. Oh, we got our instructions. That's it. That's all she wrote. That's your whole thing. This thing's smaller than a Chinese food restaurant menu. Okay? Yeah, I'll have the number 6 General Tso's lunch special, fried rice and an egg roll. Thanks, okay, great. Okay, let's get this sucker put together. And we will be back. If there's any pro tips in this build, I highly doubt it. But if there's something, we'll let you know. Okay, BRB everybody. We'll see you with a little handy drill. I can't believe I even have a pro tip on this stupid thing. But just in case, when you're inserting the motor into this little battery terminal area, bend these tabs up a tiny bit to guarantee that they make proper contact with the undersides of these battery terminals. Just good practice. That's it. That is all. I'm ashamed of myself for having a pro tip about building the handy drill, but I'll be back. Oh, surprisingly harder than I thought it would be to build. We've put a little Tamiya decal on here. Our electric handy drill is completed. And by the way, she's got a safety lock. That's what we need. You know what this reminds me of? Men in Black. The noisy cricket. Yeah, you get the noisy cricket. Sorry, Jay. All right, Kay. So she's nice. This bit is crooked. So when you see this run out, that's the bit. Here's where she's got a little shaft lock button on the side. Now, here's where we've already failed. The Makita is as small as it will go. Yeah, it can't even hold on. So instantly disqualified. I'm so sorry, Makita. You're my favorite Japanese brand of tools. But then we have this. Now this does come with two separate chuck inserts. This is the smaller of the two. This is for like, I think it says it on here. Somewhere. So 1 to 2 millimeter, and then the bigger is 2 to 3 millimeter. So we're going to put the bigger one in. Let me put that guy in there. All right. Oh, we're not going to tighten her all the way down. And she can handle these hyper precision bits. Now that is a .35. That is micro frickin' scopic hole size. Come on. It went in there before. What's going on here? Hold on a second. Oh, is that the wrong? Oh, sorry, I got the wrong one there. Yeah, that's the one we want. Let me put that insert in. And don't even snug her up at all. We can shove our hyper precision bit there's the tiniest bit of run out, and this is an ABS plastic, 4 screws holding it together, plastic gears, 1 ball bearing in the front on the shaft to replace this crappy plastic bushing, which would have been fine probably, but... And why do we do this? To drill little microscopic holes. Hey, my drill bit broke. These were made in Japan. I might have been a little heavy-handed with it. The 35 is oh God, it's so. Come on, come out of there. Okay, I guess we just. There we go. Okay, that 35 came out of there. Let's put something more reasonable in here. Let's put the small collet in. These little tiny, and they're actually made in Japan, but these things are so microscopic. If you don't use them with a precision like drill press or something, you're like doomed to failure. They're very delicate drill bits. That's why they come in packs of 5, 10, etc. I've got a bunch of those in different sizes. Here's a standard little drill bit. Now doing this with, oh, so much easier. I mean, doing it with the pin vise, it's doable. Plenty of people do it, and I'm just being a lazy little biatch here. But let's see here. My wife almost caught me taking a piss in the basement slop sink before. But that's neither here nor there. You know, and you're going, 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 and you're going. Okay, we made it through. That one wasn't too bad. This is not super duper thick plastic, but if you're dealing with a chunk of ABS and it's a little thicker, or like the upper hull of a tank model, you don't, yeah. And it's the numbers. Doing this once or twice with a pin vise, fine. Doing this 10 or 20 times with a pin vise, with basically 25 years of IT carpal tunnel in your hands, you know, I'm not getting any younger. So instead of that, we're just hitting the easy button here, and there we go. And I think on a single pair of double A's, Well, I'm not going to do a Project Farm level video on this, but I'm pretty sure we could drill hundreds of holes on a single pair of alkaline AA batteries. And the battery compartment door, there you go. And we're using like already half depleted 5-year-old Maxell, and they're fine. This is a nice little tool. I like it. I like it a lot. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, and it does it with aplomb. It drills holes. It drills tiny little holes in plastic bits for modeling. Yeah, this is great. Tamiya, you invented it, what, 23 years ago? 99, 2022, 23 years ago. Look at that. Still just fine. I mean, what else do we need? And this thing was like, maybe, I don't know, somewhere around $30. And the tool guys would be like, I could get a Ryobi for $69.99. Again, we've shown why you can't use a full-size drill for a lot of hobby things. It's just problematic. So yeah, there's our review. What do I give it? The slop sink. Wait, someone's criticizing me right now about, like, what's the difference between a sink and a urinal? The sink can flush with cold or hot water. Aha! Yeah. I mean, this is the sink we use to clean dog shit off of boots and, you know, wash grease off our hands. You know, it's not the fancy kitchen sink. We're not preparing food in this sink. So, shh, you don't tell the wife. I won't tell the wife that I pee in the sink. She doesn't subscribe to this channel. She doesn't want to know what happens down here. Don't spoil the magic. Either way, that's us signing off. The pin vise has been officially retired unless absolutely called for. The Makita will stay doing proper Makita things. You know, picture frames and fences and you know, drilling through giant slabs of wood and masonry and things. This is, oh God, this thing is so heavy. After handling this weighs, I don't know. Jeez. I'd like to say it's lighter than a quarter pounder with cheese from McDonald's. It's pretty damn light. It's perfect though. It's exactly what we need. We're gonna put the big boy away. I mean, hell, this drill bit almost weighs more than this entire drill. But yeah, I hope the Den of Tools people are thoroughly confused by this Japanese micro drill. There's no reverse either. There's no clutch. There are no torque settings. There is no 2-speed transmission. It is not rechargeable. It runs on AA batteries. This will make the tool people cringe, I'm sure. But we had our 3-way shootout. The Makita was DQ'd. This thing, I'm too friggin' lazy, so you're done. And the only problem with it to me is you got to not lose this other little collet. So I tried putting this adjustable chuck from this, and it actually fits on here. This thing has so much damn run out, it's ridiculous. It's bad. I could show you, but I'm just wasting more of your evening. That could better be spent masturbating to porn. No, I'm kidding about that. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Drink beer and watch my videos. They're amazing. The camera's shaking. My whole workbench is shaking. I switched from using a freestanding tripod to getting this pole right here. Yeah, you see this? Oh yeah. Let's two-hand. See, the whole desk shakes. The camera shakes now. So I don't know. I might need Plan C, but this doesn't take up any floor space because it just clamps to the workbench. But oh boy, you get what you pay for, guys. $26 on Amazon. Whatever. Either way, you guys want to see anything, you know, subscribe, like, comment, insult me, whatever. But if there's something you want to see me do down here, besides, you know, hit myself in the head with a hammer, let me know in the comments, all right? Adios, everybody. Have a great evening.